Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 14, symmetry. Symmetry means that is just opposite of that one. It means similar figure. Similar figure. So exercise 14.1, copy the figure with punched hole and find the axis of symmetry for the following. So you are looking here first A part, that is like a cube, that is a 0, like this 0 is given there. So what will be that one? This one will be the symmetry line. B part also similarly, that one is also like a spherical box, that two zeros are there, so that will be the symmetric line. C part, that is also spherical is given there, and then two zeros are there given, so that is a symmetrical line. And then D part also there, same diagram is there, but zeros are, punches are there like this. So symmetry line will be that one. This is the horizontal line. E part, that again spherical diagram is given there, and then by corner that is given the 0. So that here will be many more symmetrical line. One of this one, one of this one, one of this one also, one of this one also symmetrical line. F part, also this one given, that is 0, 0, 0. So only one symmetry line will be here, this one. FG part, a triangle is given here, and then two zeros are here given, so that will be only single symmetry line. H part, like this triangle is given here, and then two zeros are given here, so that will be the symmetry line. I part, that triangle is given, and then two zeros are here given, so this will be the symmetry line. And then circle given, and two zeros are given here, so that will be the symmetry line. And then this one also will be the symmetry line. This one is the J part. H part, K part, one circle is given and four zeros are given, so that will be 1, 2, and then this one also we will write, and this one also. Okay. L part, circle again is given, this one, this one, this one 0 is there, so this one is the only symmetrical line. Now the second question, given the line S of symmetry, find the other hole. So second, this is the diagram given, this is given. So where will be the other hole? Here will be the just other hole. First part. Second part, also the same diagram, and then folded from here. So if the one hole is here, so then next hole will be here. Second part. Third part, that is first hole is here, so second hole must be here. Third part. Fourth part, circle, and then folded of this one, if one is punch is here, so next punch will be here, and then that is not a first second. A B C D, A B C D E, that is folded from here, 1 0 is here and 1 punch is here. So this punch reflection will be here, this punch reflection will be here. Now the question number 3. Question number 3, that in the following figure the minor line is given as a dotted line. Complete each figure. So we will complete that figure. So how you will be complete that figure? So that one is this one and then one diagram is this A part. So that this reflection will be like this. B part, one dotted line is here and then one like this is given, so that will be must like this. C part, then this is the reflection line and then this triangle, so that must be like this triangle. D part, this is the reflection line, this circle semicircle is given, so that semicircle must be here also come. E part, the reflection line of this one, that just wait, so this one, so this must be reflection of like this. And then F part you can do. Okay, question number 4. The following figure has more than one line of symmetry such that are given. Set 2 has multiple line of symmetry. You are looking A, B, C. Identify multiple line of symmetry is there if the diagram is this one. So that first part, fourth A part, the diagram is 3 circles are attached each other and then triangle is given in that diagram. So that multiple line will be that this one will be the symmetry line, this one also will be symmetry line, this one also will be symmetry line. 3 circles are there, so that will be 3 line of symmetry will be there. B part, a square is given here and then there semicircle and like this semicircle also there, so that will be symmetrical line. This one one symmetry line and this one also will be a symmetry line. Triangle, C part, triangle is given, triangle is given, so that 1 1 1 and then 1. So here will be symmetric line, that will be this one also symmetry line will be there, this one also symmetry line this will be, and then again a square has done, that is a square, and then this one diagram is given there, so this one symmetry line will be this and this one also will be the symmetry line. And then similarly many more diagram are there, so that you can do. In the E part there will be 1 2 3 4 symmetry, in F part only one symmetry are there, symmetry line, and G part has 1 2 3 4 symmetry line will be there. H part 6 line symmetry will be there. Next, copy the following given here, copy the figure given here. Fifth part, we will copy that diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that this is the given shaded, this also given shaded, this also given shaded, and then this also given shaded. So what you will be do? First of all, this is a diagonal, these are the diagonal. So you will be shaded of this one, neighboring of that one. You will be shaded of this diagram with other color. So that will be complete. Next, sixth question. This is just difficult type of question. A diagram is given here. A box diagram is given here, like this box, and then a diagonal also given here, and then you are looking here, you will be use the graph, so that this one diagram will be like this and like this. Just a minute. This one is the diagram of up to here. So that will be up to here, this one also, right? When you will be use the graph, then your diagram must be cleared. And then this is the 6th A part. And then B part, you are looking double cross line is there. So first of all, that will be go that side, that side, that side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So similarly here also. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3, and then similarly also here 1, 2, 2, 3. Like this you will draw the diagram, and then that will be also fourth part also, C part also you can do like this. C part you will be use the graph, then your diagram must be cleared like this. You can do, okay. And then question number D part you can join. Question number 7. Question number 7, that what letter of each alphabet have reflection symmetry rotation related to minor about a vertical mirror, horizontal mirror, both vertical and horizontal, both also we will see here. So that that letter will be just a minute. 7th question is left here. Just a minute. State the following of line of symmetry for the following figure. A equilateral triangle, that will be A, 3-line symmetry. How you will be that? See that this is the equilateral triangle, so that will be 1, 2 and 3. Only 3-line symmetry are there. And isosceles triangle only 1, because isosceles has only 2 sides are equal. Only that will be the line of symmetry, that will be 1. Scalene triangle 0. Scalene triangle, that is 0, because no symmetry is there. Square 4, rectangle 2, rhombus 2, parallelogram, that will be 0. A quadrilateral 0, regular hexagon means 6, circle infinitely many, circle that is infinitely J. J circle. So here also, this one also, many more line symmetry can be drawn here. So infinity many. And then 8th question, what letter of the English alphabet have to reflection symmetry? That a vertical mirror, that is vertical mirror, that will be, vertical means like this line, that will be A H I M O T U V W X Y, and then horizontal, that will be only B C D E H I O X, but vertical means like this, horizontal means like this, and then see both, that will be O X I H. It means this one also like this, this one also like this will become. Okay. 9th question, give 3 example of shapes with no line of symmetry. That is 9th question. 8th question, no line symmetry, that will be the F, G, J, etc. And then 10th question, what other name can you give to the line of symmetry and isosceles triangle median? 10th question, that A part median, and then B part a circle, that is a diameter. This is the 10th question. Okay.